everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. I'm Angel Lagrada Linor, and our topic for today is about importance of ICT in education.
And I'm Renmark. Our topic for today is something we all experience in school and even outside of it, the importance of ICT in education.
ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, is not just about computers. It includes the internet, gadgets, apps, and digital tools that help us learn better.
Exactly. Think about how classes were during the pandemic. Without ICT, online learning would have been possible. Students and teachers used the platform like Google Classroom, Zoom, and even Facebook groups to continue lessons.
That's true. ICT also makes information more accessible. Before, we had to spend hours in the library. Now, with just a few clicks, we can access ebooks, articles, and videos to help us understand our lesson.
And it's not only about convenience. ICT encourage creativity and collaboration. For example, group project can be done using online tools like Canva, Google Documents, or even video editing apps. Students can share ideas faster and present them in more engaging ways.
I agree. Plus, ICT also prepares us for the future. Most jobs today requires digital skills. By using ICT in school, students become more confident and ready for real-world careers.
But let's not forget, ICT should not use responsibly. Spending too much time on gadget can be distracting. It's important to balance technology with discipline.
Well said, Renmark. To sum it up, ICT in education help us continue learning, access information, build creativity, and prepare for the future, but it must be used wisely.
What warms up our discussion for today's Thanks for tuning in.
Until next time, again, this is Angel Lagrada Leonor.
And Renmark, reminding you that learning is more powerful when we use technology responsibly.